Train. I'll bet I can fix that for you. Good evening time to you. 919's waving your way.
Maybe these Siamese twins ain't talking. 396. Working these Siamese twins. I don't guess they talking. I'm on the Gold Coast. I'm gone now.
Hey, 396. 445, gonna see if he can sneak in there without anybody seeing him. Hey, 396 on the Gold Coast, 445 waving. Man, that was a cotton-picking mess, no doubt. 919, I'm back quiet.
Sacramento, Cal. 727, getting up in this mobile. Appreciate it.
Have a good evening, and I'm going to step right in.
Hey, 425, big.
Roger on that, 4 1/4. I got it all when you said it all. 919, I'm back in the corner.
Put him in the crib. Hello,
You're in that 1227. Hey, 1227, 727, Sacramento, Cal, waving a hand.
396 with these baby Siamese twins on the coast to go.
Hey, no worries, man. Have yourself a good evening, no doubt. 919, I'm back copying the mail.
Hello, Hammer, the Bluegrass. Hello, Hammer, the Bluegrass. Ratchet, Northern Cal, the Mobile, waving right back.
9075, trying one more time. Hey, stop calling.
Good evening to you once again, 75.
Baby boy.
Waving right back.
Boy, Sacramento, Cal, getting on down, standing by.
There, we're waving. Hey, Hammer, Ratchet, Northern Cal, waving right back.
You're not doing too shabby yourself, man. When you key down, that's all I hear. 75. 919, I'm back quiet.
Big baby boy getting on down. Big baby boy, you're in the background there. 75 on his hand. All right, 75. Have a good day. 75, big baby boy, click.
And I just got down.
Hey, 75, 727, Sacramento, Cal, trying.
Hello, how about your spark plug? The spark plug 309 Mobile right here around Ramona, California, down here around Dago. Hello, spark plug, nobody but 309 in my Mobile. I'm trying to kick it your way. Hello,
California, around Sacramento. Mr. Train, big baby boy gone.
And bum bum. Spark plug, it's rough right now. You know that, right? Spark plug, you're making a good trip out here to San Diego, right downtown Ramona, California. Spark plug, nobody but 309 in my Mobile with these.
He can say 4 1/4, but you ain't gonna hear it. Hey, 4 1/4, 919, just got down.
Do a little listening up. Train, big baby boy, say bam, bam, bam.
Check, check.
Así es, oye, ahí está, espere por los papeles. Último, no mandaron papeles. Ya después me entregué a este, yo le dije, did you have to, yo le dije,
959.
777.
I can hear you, 777. I just don't know how long. 919, the waving.
Of Sacramento, Cal, 727, said it. I'm back quiet.
le entregaron papeles, estaba Vanessa todavía.
Hey, Gary.
Porque cuando yo subí por papeles ya no estaba Vanessa.
Hey, Train, it's gonna be hard for him right now. I just made.
I know, we just got a brand new one.
Train, big baby boy. Train, big baby boy, getting on down.
Ah, sí, ¿no?
Yeah, 777. I got a little apartment size quick. 727, waving a hand and back quiet.
$50 for it. We're gonna call up the guys and tell them to come and get it, if nothing else.
Hey, 4 1/4, how about 9?
Hey, 4 1/4, 8 it's not about the competition. Now, let's just get in on top where you want to. Hey, 4 1/4, 919, I'm back quiet. Appreciate that, man. Talk at you later, and I'm going to get back quiet.
Hey, 302, I wasn't calling him Bam Bam. I said big baby boy. Big baby boy. Bam, bam, bam. I didn't say nothing about the Bam Bam. 302, big baby boy getting on down.
Hey, big baby boy, don't let that bam bam get in the wrong. Little baby boy, 727
All right, 302, why you cutting him down?
Yeah, 302, he wants somebody in Ramona Street.
You say you cutting the track?
I'll do that for you, and I'll just come back quiet.
This is Spark Plug. I just go grab a beer. Hey, Spark Plug, how you doing? 309, just passing you 5. You're making a trip out here to Dago, no problem. 309, back out. Hello, 302 is a big man. How you doing, 302? I'm going to jump on out of here. I have a Spark Plug on the mall right now. 302 in the Big Bam, 309 Mobile, San Diego, back out. Diego waving.
All right, 302. Well, 919.
Hey, 302, how about 959? 302, 959, San Diego, waving.
He got to go to the big box. He in the pump. All right.
Hey, 302, seems like everybody's trying to beat up on old 302. It's a big bam. Alabama's got it going on right about now. Hey, 302, 309 Mobile, downtown Ramona, back out. You're cutting them down, Rascal. I guarantee you're cutting them down. Spark Plug, all them rascals are trying to key down on you. I don't know what you got going on out there in Alabama, but you guys are just mean. 309 in the Mobile down here in Ramona. I'm back out. You just pumped it up in there like I can't believe it. 302 is a bad son of a gun right there, and you just keep down on him. I can't believe it. 420, nobody but 309 in the Mobile. I'm going to get on out of here. You guys are rough right about now. I'm out. That's a Roger, BYU, 420. 420 to BYU. Where you from? You mess with him. Down right there, 420 in the back country. 420 in the back country. All right, pal. Here you go, man. Here goes. Yeah, what do you out there in that diesel truck with you?